What?
So we've got another mission. Alright, I just wanted to pop in and see whether I closed Apollo's door. It looks like I did.
What?
See all that. We're gonna work with this tomorrow. Gonna show you how to get rid of that cheap so the interior doesn't get all moldy. It's looking alright apart from the steering wheel so far. But yeah, there you go. So the doors are closed. Let's check around what's going on around the yard. All locked, all good. We can head back home then. Hello everyone. So today we're going to do the moisture absorber thingy for your vehicle. If you get your windows all foggy and stuff like that in the morning and you don't want to spend too much money on professional stuff.
Sounds expensive.
So what we're gonna need, some old socks, but make sure you don't have any holes in them, because that won't be helpful. And some silica crystals for cuts. So what you want to do, get out of the way. Can you see? If you can't see, you have to tell me. I'm telling you guys. Open this up. We've got stuff like this. Little crystals. You grab your old sock. You could ideally wash it as well, you know.
There's no need for this.
And then we have to find a way to put that in there. And we did have a funnel somewhere, and we don't have it anymore. Right, I'm just gonna find something, and I'll be back. Alright, what we're gonna use, because I can't find any funnels and stuff. There was one over here somewhere, but obviously when you need it, fucking gun.
Magic.
So we're just gonna use this shit. Just gonna throw it that way. Come on. That should be alright. I think it's gonna be better if I put you guys on the other side, because you're gonna see fuck all on this side.
Genius.
You just basically load it as much as you want.
One day later.
A little bit further. Then you're just gonna do it like this. And then you just place it in your vehicle. Wow. And it should absorb all the moisture. So you throw it on the floor behind your seat, on the dash, wherever you feel like it. With the second one, I'm using thicker tape. And we're gonna try to cheat the system a little bit. That way is way faster. There you go. That's the second one done. Nice and thick.
That's what she said.
Look at that. Beautiful. As you can see, it's all fogged up inside. So what we're gonna do, grab some of that. Go inside. Oh, we forgot about our specialist
What?
equipment. Shit. Throw in there. Oh, it's tight. Try to get inside. What I'm gonna do, try to put you guys in here. That might be a good spot. Can you see? Oh shit. That is dodgy camera placement.
What?
So what we have to do now, wipe all this shit. Look at that. Yeah, the cuffs ain't the best. Let me just open the door. Do the door as well. The other side's alright. Do the sunroof as well. That leaks again. It's my favourite thing, is it? It's all wet. But I've got a solution for this. You're gonna see it in a minute. It's gonna be professionally just done. We're gonna remove as much as we can. Alright, I go and grab different cloths. So I am back now with more cloths.
Long time no see.
This is so bad. I was hoping there would be some on the outside, but there's no luck this time. We're gonna stick one in there, and we're gonna throw one on the back. We're gonna try this. That looks like a special. Oh shit, that doesn't absorb at all. Alright, I'm guessing this is as good as we're gonna get. Let's try to clean the sunroof again. Why is that leaking all there? It's nicely sealed.
Several long days later.
Here we are again. We're gonna check out how is our professional stuff doing. If it does absorb any water or not. There we go. Yep. So we're gonna wipe it up over here a little bit on the outside because it's raining, and as you can see, the inside is nice and dry. That does the job. You might want it to replace it every so often, but other than that, yeah, all nice and dry. That's a pass. So that's it. And I will see you next time, guys. Have a good one.
What?